I said, my, flash is fast, flash is cool, Francois, c'est pas flash ain't no do. And you don't stop, sure shot, go out to the parking lot and you get in your car and drive real far and you drive all night and then you see a light and it comes right down and lands on the ground and out comes a man from Mars and you try to run but he's got a gun and he shoots you dead and he eats your head and then you're in the man from Mars. You go out at night, eating cars, you eat